Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use GNC fish oil, updated. Take one softgel, or the suggested number of softgels, with a meal to aid absorption and reduce fishy aftertaste. If your bottle lists 1,000 mg per capsule, count total daily milligrams to stay within safe limits. Store capsules in a cool, dry place away from heat and sunlight to preserve potency and avoid rancidity. For best results, take GNC fish oil with food, ideally a meal containing some fat to boost omega absorption and reduce burps. If you experience mild indigestion, split the total daily dose into 2 smaller servings morning and night. Always tell your clinician about supplements, especially if you take blood thinners or have upcoming procedures, since omega supplements can affect bleeding risk and dosage decisions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos about supplements and wellness. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait for capsules to digest, and it's perfect for travel days when you pack supplements and books. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pick a GNC fish oil that lists EPA and DHA milligrams per capsule so you know what you are actually getting. Look for freshness dates or third-party testing seals to reduce risk of contaminants and oxidation. Keep the bottle tightly closed in a cool, dark spot, and use capsules before the expiration date to ensure effectiveness and avoid unpleasant tastes from rancid oil that can develop over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.